Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use task queues in HubSpot to streamline your workflow and keep your team organized. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, go to the CRM section from the top navigation bar and click on the Tasks tab. This is where you can manage all your tasks efficiently. Next, focus on organizing your tasks and by creating a task queue. Click Manage Queues in the upper right, then select Create Task Queue. Give your queue a descriptive name like Weekly Follow-ups or Priority Leads so you and your team can easily identify its purpose. Finally, click Save to set up your queue. Your task queue is now ready to use, helping you prioritize important tasks, stay on track, and boost productivity. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and tips. Hey everyone!